Having a bright smile is the best glow up tip I will ever give to anybody. So I like to keep up with my teeth whitening with a super simple routine using the MySmile Dental Grade Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit will include everything that you will need for that Hollywood bright pearly teeth. And achieving white teeth does not have to be difficult or time consuming with this kit, as it is super beginner friendly with all the instructions that they provide, and the whole process only takes about 10 minutes. Seriously, anybody can do this, as the instructions are very easy to follow. First, you will want to clean and attach the mouthpiece to the LED light. The mouthpiece is very flexible and comfortable, and you want to make sure the battery is nice and connected, and they included 3 generous syringes of the whitening gel. You will want to unscrew the syringe cap and screw on the tip so that it's easy to apply to your mouthpiece. Then apply 0.5 milliliter of the gel to each side of the mouthpiece, making sure that you don't put too much where it touches your gum. And just like that, the preparation process is complete. Now, all you have to do is attach the mouthpiece to the LED light and put it in your mouth, push the button, and wait 10 minutes. This step is made super easy as the light automatically turns off after 10 minutes, so you know exactly when you're done. Repeat this whole process for a week and your teeth will look amazing. So whether you have a lot of staining or just a little bit of staining, this kit will help reduce that look. So as an avid coffee drinker, I come back to this kit every 4 to 6 weeks so that my smile looks brand new.